Hi there, my name's Mariah and I love grocery hauls. I love watching them. I think I get great recipe ideas from them, and so I've always done grocery hauls when I come home from grocery shopping, and I'll show my friends and stuff, but then I decided to actually film and post some because a lot of grocery hauls that I see, they don't put what recipes they're gonna make from the week or for the week. They film it, they show what they're hauling, and then that's it. So I decided to film my haul, and then in the description box I'll put every meal that I'm going to make with those items, and then I'm going to list out what items I already had, which is why I didn't purchase them, and then I'll also link to whatever recipes. If it's a recipe that I just make, then I will also type that out. But yeah, I hope you enjoy my grocery haul, and I hope you like and subscribe, and this is the first video, so super exciting. Welcome to my kitchen. If you hear animals running around, I have a dog and I have a cat and I have wood floors. So if you hear them in the background, I'm sorry. That noise is my cat touching the bags. So when I go grocery shopping, I always make a plan of all the meals that I'm gonna make, and I'll just put it on the notes in my phone. And then after I make my meal prep, I try to pick meals that I have ingredients for to limit how much I need to buy at a grocery store. So I'll make all my meals, and then I'll put the things I need to purchase. At Trader Joe's is where I go every week, but every once in a while they'll have stuff that they don't have at Trader Joe's and I'll need it somewhere else. So then I'll put, items I need from Trader Joe's and then items I need from Albertsons or Grocery Outlet or whatever. And so I always type that out onto my phone. And so the first thing that I bought is dog food. I always buy my dog food from Trader Joe's just because Trader Joe's is the grocery store that I go to every week, and it just makes sense to buy it from there. So I'm gonna go through all the Trader Joe's stuff first. And the first item I bought are these organic roasted teriyaki seaweed snacks. There's 6 of them in a package, and I will pack these in lunches, and they make a great snack to have. The next item I bought is this jasmine rice from Trader Joe's. I will make Spanish rice using this. I'll make rice with veggies, fried rice. I've tried I want to say it's like basmati rice or basmati. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but I've tried that, and I just prefer how the jasmine rice cooks. The next item I bought are the broccoli florets. I'm trying a new recipe this week, which will be in the description box, and it's called fresh broccoli. I only had frozen in the freezer, and so I just picked up some fresh. I also picked up the Trader Joe's vanilla and blueberries yogurt. Again, I pack these in lunches. There's no fruit chunk in it, so it's just like a creamy yogurt. And I will rotate between the vanilla blueberry flavor or the mango peach flavor. I got some sour cream, and this is again for that recipe I'm gonna try this week. Cream cheese, again for that recipe. It's a spaghetti squash with artichoke, broccoli, and then a cheesy sauce, and you just mix it all together and serve it in the half of the spaghetti squash. The next 2 items I bought are cheeses, and we are having a game night tonight, and I wanted to have a charcuterie board to have us to snack on during games. So the first cheese I bought is this Asiago cheese with rosemary and olive oil. I've never tried it before, but it looked really good. And then I got some goat cheese, because goat cheese is my favorite cheese. I got a to go with the charcuterie board. And we had dried fruits and nuts. I already have that in my cabinet, which is why you don't see this in the haul, but it's something that I always have on hand. And we also have salami in the fridge as well. Next up, I got a spaghetti squash, and this is for that spaghetti squash recipe that I'm going to make this week. Lastly, I got this To the Power of 7 organic juice blend. It has pomegranate juice, tart cherry, black mulberry, red grape, purple carrot, cranberry, and blueberry juice. I used to buy their 100% cranberry juice, and it was so sour, and I can drink it, but I wasn't loving it, and I really like this just because it's a tasty juice and there's no sugar added. And so I'm, have berry juice that's not tart, and I really enjoy it. So all the rest of the items are from Albertsons, and the first thing I got was artichoke hearts, and that's for that spaghetti squash. I could have bought this at Trader Joe's, but I forgot, so I picked it up at Albertsons. Next up, I got some pork chops, thin cut. Again, I could have gotten this at Trader Joe's, but I know that the pork was on sale at Albertsons, and so it was cheaper to get it there. And I'm gonna make chili verde for dinner today with some rice and beans. I got some beans, and I got a big can because we have people coming over tonight, and then some tomato sauce, which I need to make the Spanish rice. Next up, I got some Asian style vegetables. It has broccoli, carrots, sugar snap peas, and water chestnuts, just the frozen kind. I use this to add if I make fried rice. I'll mix it in, or a stir fry. I really enjoy getting this, and they don't have something similar in Trader Joe's. I've looked. They don't have anything that has the water chestnuts in it, and that's one of my favorite vegetables when I eat a stir fry, just because it's so crunchy. So I get this at Albertsons. The last items I got are all for my chili verde. I got jalapenos, tomatillos, poblanos, and a serrano, and I blend it all up with onions, and then I will use that as my chili verde and make the sauce from scratch. It's just easier than buying it. The stuff isn't that expensive, and I have a food processor, so it's really quick and simple. But that is everything that I got from Trader Joe's and Albertsons. At Albertsons, I spent $15.91, and at Trader Joe's, I spent $39.38, so about 55 bucks for a week's worth of groceries. I did have stuff in the fridge and cabinet already that I'm gonna supplement with the stuff that I bought. And then I also, I bought dog food, which isn't a weekly purchase. It's probably once every 3 weeks I buy that. And then I bought some cheese board, charcuterie stuff, which I don't normally buy on a weekly basis. So usually the bill's anywhere from $40 to $50 depending on what I buy. But I hope you enjoyed this grocery haul, and I will be back next week. Thanks. Bye.